Hello, Peter here and welcome to Upskill Pilipinas. So in today's video, pag-usapan natin yung Facebook ads naman. I'm sure madami sa inyo ang excited at gusto talaga matuto kung paano ba mag-run ng Facebook ads because this is a big help talaga especially sa mga may negosyo so that magkaka-increase yung sales nila. So for today, part 1 muna yung pag-usapan natin, more on theory, and later on in our upcoming video, pag-usapan natin yung actual na pag-run ng Facebook ads so that makita ninyo yung process talaga from paano ba natin i-upload yung mga images and ano ba yung mga settings na kailangan matutunan ninyo so that you can run an effective FB ads. So, first, kailangan natin matuto ano ba yung ad creative. So, if pansin niyo while you are scrolling sa Facebook timeline niyo, you will notice itong may mga nakalagay na sponsored. Kita niyo, ito sponsored. This is an example of a Facebook ad. Kumbaga, ito yung nag-run ng Facebook ad, itong Adobe Acrobat. You will see it here, Adobe Acrobat, and then sa baba niya may nakalagay na sponsored. So, ibig sabihin, nagbayad si Adobe Acrobat, nag-run siya ng Facebook ad. So, ano ba yung mga components ng isang ad creative? So, ito talaga yung kailangan yung matutunan so that you can create an effective Facebook ad. So, first is the primary text or this is what you call yung sales copy. So, dito nakalagay kung ano ba yung binibenta ninyo, ano yung mga features, yung highlights, ano yung mga benefits ng products niyo or ng mga services na in-offer ninyo. So, later on in our upcoming slide, we will have an example kung paano ba mag-write ng isang effective na primary text na mapapabili talaga yung ating mga clients, di ba? So, abangan niya ninyo. So, next is yung media. So, you have an option if you will image ba yung gagamitin ninyo, carousel, or video. So, for me, mas effective yung single image based lang yan sa akin sa mga na-run ko na Facebook ads. Mas madami siyang engagement and mas madami siyang conversion and sales. Kumbaga, single image yung i-example natin mamaya. So, that is the media. So, I'm sure we had webinar or video about nung Canva. So Canva is really a big help of making your media, yung image. Doon yung gagawin sa Canva yung image and then yung mga text na i-highlight nyo doon so that mas magiging effective yung ating ad creative. So next naman is itong headline. Yung headline ng Adobe Acrobat is Try Acrobat Pro free for 7 days. So, yung headline naman, this is, kumbaga, ano yung mga additional nyo pa na in-offer? Ano pa yung in-offer nyo? Like, you're offering like 50% off if you will purchase within 2 days or may mga freebies ba? So, yan yung ilalagay nyo sa headline so that mas mahuhook or mas makakatch nyo yung attention ng inyong potential na customers. And then, last naman, but not the least, itong sa pinakababa, this is the call to action. So, mostly, ito yung button. Kumbaga, you can put there, learn more. So, pwedeng dalhin nyo yung potential client nyo doon sa website niyo or it could be shop now if may shop kayo or it could be message. So, dyan yung mga call to action. It could be, learn more, shop now, yung mga buttons na ganun. So, you have an option for that. So, bali, ito na yung pinaka-goal kasi nung ad natin is yung may action na gawin talaga yung ating potential client like bibili ba sila or magme-message sa inyo or mag-i-inquire. So, ito yung mga parts, kumbaga, ng isang ad creative na kailangan nyo matutunan. Yung primary text, media, headline, and the call to action. So, in our upcoming video, the part 2, yun, magsasample talaga tayo nito.